Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn the Countif function in Microsoft Excel. If you want to count these cells that meet a specific criteria, the Countif function is the function that you need to use. Countif function is one of the mostly used logical functions of Excel that is used in office work and in data analysis. So let's try to understand that how Countif function works with the help of an example. Here we have a table that has two columns. First column contains product name and second column contains sales in US dollar. Let's say we want to count here cells that contain product name tires. For this purpose, we need to use Countif function. So let's start by entering here Countif function equal sign Countif function open parenthesis. You can see in Countif function we need to provide two parameters. The first parameter is range. Range is the cells from which we want to count cells that meet a specific criteria. As we want to count cells from this range from A2 till A10 that meet a criteria tires. So we have been selected these cells from A2 till A10, comma, the second parameter is criteria. As our criteria is tires, we want to count these cells that meet criteria tires. So we can enter here tires in quotation marks. Quotation mark, tires, again quotation mark and close parenthesis. You can see we have been entered these two parameters. So now we can press enter and can see result of this Countif function. So we press enter and you can see the result is 3. That means in this range or in this column we have 3 cells that meet the criteria tires. So these 3 cells that has tires is A2, A6 and A8. In Countif function, in place of manually entering here criteria, we can even select a cell that has our criteria. For example, let's say we enter in this cell our criteria tires. So now in place of entering here our criteria manually, we can simply delete tires from here and we can select the reference cell that has our criteria. So we will select here this cell in D6. We will press enter and you can see the result is same. So friends, if you find this video useful, please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Microsoft Office Tutorials. Also don't forget to share this knowledge with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.